In this video, I'm going to show you some different features in PowerPoint, including how you can cut, copy, and paste text, and also some other viewing options. So let's go ahead and create a blank presentation first. Okay, so this is the default presentation template. You can see the presentation name up here. By default, it's written something like Presentation 2. Now, if you want to change the name, you can just click right here and type in your new name. So for example, I'm going to type Module 2 Presentation. Then just hit Enter, and you can see it's automatically saved to OneDrive. This shows you the file location where it's saved. And if you want to change the file location, you can just click here and choose a different spot. Anyway, let's get to the main point here. We're going to make some changes to the presentation. So you know this is our working area. To add text, you simply click here and you can type your text, Welcome to Module 2. So let's say that's your text. And if you want to add a subtitle, you can just click down here. That's how you add text. Now let's see how you can use the cut, copy, and paste commands. So first thing, you need to select your text. Then you can see under the Home tab, you've got these options right here. This is cut, this is copy, and this is paste. So I'm going to use the cut option first. Just click cut, then place your cursor wherever you want to paste your data. I'm clicking at the bottom here. Then I click paste, and you can see that the text that was above has now appeared down here at the bottom. Now let's try copy. So again, you select your text, click on copy, and place your cursor wherever you want to copy the text to. Then click paste. And you can see, without deleting anything, the text now appears in both places. Another option is, you can select your text and just right-click. When you do that, you can see all the commands are right here. Cut, copy, and paste. So after you select your text and right-click, all those commands are available right there. Alright, now let's look at some of the viewing options. To view your presentation options, just go to the View tab. So these are some of the options we have available. If you want to zoom in or out, these are your zoom options. You can select whatever you want. For example, if you choose 100, it'll be at 100% zoom. I'm going to select Fit right now, and Fit to Window is another option you have. There's also this Immersive Reader option. And if you want to see the notes, you can click on Notes, and you'll see the Notes panel appear at the bottom, just like this. So that's how you do some of the basic things in PowerPoint.